How can you ever go wrong in sunny Jamaica? It's always a vibe. I've been to Jamaica about 5 or 6 times. Who's counting? But every time is different. And this time, I thought it was going to be extremely different because I didn't think I was actually going to go. My passport came in late, literally the week before the trip, and God just made a way. So once we got there, everything was perfect. Sometimes we have to remember to live in the present as opposed to living in the past or living in the future. We don't know what the universe holds for us, but one thing that we do know is how to party. We know how to party. We know how to have a good time. And in Jamaica, where everything is Irie, that's all that you went there for, to have a good time. So shout out to the island. Shout out to the people there. It was a wonderful trip. It was taking me by surprise. And every time I go, it's always a vibe. Long live Jamaica.
Wild Child Speaks.
What you about to do, babe? You getting some lobster?
Yeah, you ordered the lobster. That's the world boss right there. Chef King.
Wild Child Speaks.
Fresh food, you know? Yes, sir. Peep him, peep him. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Fresh out, nigga. Yeah. Pop, pop. Yeah, man. The thing going, you know? Yeah. Order that up. Original, authentic vibes. Yes, you know? Yes. Lifestyle. Everything nice. I hear it. Check out on the seaside. That's it.
See? Alright, let's switch it up now. Yeah, I got it. What you want to order too?
Alright, so this is some lobster that we just ordered from this little fucking hut on the side. And the crazy part is, we've been told about this place that it was really good. So I'm gonna see how good it is. Yes, I'm vegan, plant-based life. However, when you come to foreign lands and out of the country, we're gonna eat the local fucking cuisine. Like, on everything I love. That shit is super fresh. So, with that being said, the peanut gallery arrives. Oh my god, so yeah, it's really 4 lobsters, avocado, onions, shrimp, plantain,
cabbage, avocado. Bruh. Oh my god, yes, let's go. Because the flies are with them. And my beef friend is here.
Alright.
Wild Child Speaks.